So today we're checking out a beautiful home in West El Paso for under $900,000. And I'm going to show the property in just a few minutes, but I want to share with you something that I believe everybody needs to hear if you're buying or selling real estate, and that's who you're choosing as your real estate advisor matters. So I have a local team here in El Paso. I'm full-time. I have also my investment property, so I'm an investor in the area. And I believe that there's a lot of agents out there that because they're either new or they're not really full-time, they're going to try to push you for the most that you can qualify for. And that really is a disservice to you. This particular client is qualified for up to $2 million. They are asking me for certain things in their list. And one of the things that I shared with them was like, look, we can go up to this price point, but realistically, you don't need to. Like, we could find what you're looking for a lot less. And this is where building trust with your clients, building trust with your agent, building trust with who you're working with in general is so important, because at the end of the day, it would be easy for me to just say, yes, I'm going to push them for the most that they qualify for. But at the end of the day, people talk. And when you take care of people, they also talk. And I've seen this with my clients. Every single person that I've worked with, I've been blessed to be recommended over and over and over again. And I think this is really where you as a consumer looking to invest in a market, whether you know that market or you don't, you want somebody that's really going to fight for you and not just be in it for their own interest. And yes, I'm not sitting here and saying that I work for sunshines and kisses, but at the end of the day, I can ethically guide my clients and still make a living and not have to push them to the most that they qualify for. And again, with this particular client, they were really surprised at the fact that I send them houses that were under their price point. They're like, wow, like most agents send us something that is above our price point. And this is why it is so important to choose the right agency that you're working with. So with that being said, whether you're looking to relocate in a month or whether you're looking to buy in a year, we got you covered. And even if you're not looking to buy in El Paso particularly, I have agents throughout the state. So just let me know where you're looking to relocate and we will connect you with the right agent for you. But with that, without further ado, let's get into the video. Let us know down below what you think of the property, if it's a thumbs up, thumbs down, and if there's anything else in particular that you would like for us to cover. So let's get into it. All right, guys, so today we're checking out this custom farmhouse in West El Paso. It is located at 7402 Nickelwood, and we originally filmed this video for one of our out-of-state clients relocating into El Paso, but after looking at this beautiful home, we simply had to share it with our YouTube family. Now, this entire place is custom. As you enter into the property, you can turn the bedroom over to your right into an office, which is what they currently have it set up as, or of course, you can turn it into an additional bedroom. Now, as we can see here in the living room area, we're going to have that amazing fireplace, open concept, some beams up top. And then we also have these spacious 2 bedrooms, which also share a Jack and Jill. So if you have little ones, this is perfect for them. Or maybe if you have teenagers, perfect for them to have their own little area downstairs. And as we make our way upstairs, I really love how they've done the upstairs layout, because you have your loft, you have your massive bedroom with your shower, this amazing balcony that oversees your backyard. Yes, look at that pool, look at that backyard, look at those views. And then you have the closet, which is for his and hers, and then you have the hers. Look at the hers. This is amazing. The space on this layout is definitely beautiful. And as you can see, you have your own bathroom upstairs. So if you and your family are interested in relocating in El Paso, me and my team would love to guide you. Please feel free to drop any questions you have down below. This really allows us to make more content that is geared around your criteria, your preferences. And of course, as I've mentioned to you guys, whether you're looking to relocate in a year or a month, my team would be honored to serve you. We have tons of clients that just ask us a little bit more about, hey, what is the best area? What neighborhood should we focus on? What are the school districts like? What does it cost to live in El Paso? All of these things are things that we would love to answer. So please feel free to drop them down below.